Imagine this. You're doing 300 crunches every night on your bedroom floor until your neck hurts more than your stomach. But your abs are still hiding, like a secret project nobody ever sees. You think you need fancy gym machines or a $1,000 membership to carve out a six-pack, but you're actually just doing cardio on the floor while your midsection stays soft. Let me fix that. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate blueprint for abs that actually pop. And the best part? Every single move is done right here at home with zero gym equipment needed.
The first thing you need to understand is that abs are muscles, which means they grow exactly like your chest or your biceps, through resistance, through progressive overload. Not just air punches and hoping for the best. If you want them to be thick, visible, you have to give them a reason to change.
Weighted floor crunches, the backpack hack. Most people fail because they do bodyweight crunches forever, but you need to add load to stimulate hypertrophy. Grab a backpack, fill it with books or water jugs, and hold it against your chest while you crunch. Focus on the squeeze at the top and a slow, controlled stretch on the way down. If those last few reps aren't a struggle, you aren't growing.
Lying leg raises. This is your home version of the vertical pull, targeting the lower portion of the abs to build that functional, athletic power. Lie on your back and focus on pulling your pelvis toward your ribs, not just swinging your legs. This builds the foundation for that reverse triangle look, where your midsection looks tight and structured.
The kitchen move. You can build the strongest abs in the world, but if they're covered in a layer of marshmallow softness, they will stay invisible. Abs aren't revealed in the gym. They're revealed in the kitchen. To see those lines, you need to drop your body fat to the 10 to 15% sweet spot. This means a slight calorie deficit and hitting your protein. Aim for 1.6 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight to protect your muscle while the fat melts away. Put your fat loss on autopilot. Tracking calories usually feels like mental gymnastics, but we're going to make this effortless using Cal AI. You don't have to weigh every grain of rice. Just snap a picture of your meal and the app breaks down the macros for you. It removes the guesswork so you don't accidentally enter bulking season by eating hidden calories in a healthy snack. Finally, stop hammering the treadmill. It just makes you exhausted and starving. Instead, aim for 7,000 to 10,000 steps a day. It's a cheat code that burns calories straight from your feet without draining the energy you need to recover and build muscle. Consistency is the actual cheat code. Don't look for a 30-day miracle. Look for a system you can keep for life. If you're ready to stop guessing and start building a superhero physique from your living room, hit that subscribe button.